Morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Students, I want to ask one question. Suppose you cannot come to school due to some reasons and you have to inform your school authorities. What would you do? How would you inform them? Think about it. You would write an application. Students, I'm sure you are already familiar with this word. Application is a formal way of communication. In today's class, we are going to talk about application, how to write it down properly. For that, I want to discuss very important points with you. Children, you make common errors while writing an application. And now I'm going to discuss those points. So listen to me carefully to write an application in a proper format. We always write an application to the principal of the school. We never write an application to the class teacher or to the subject teacher. So you have to write down an application to the principal. And next is it has a fixed pattern. Application has a fixed pattern. You cannot change it. Begin from the margin line. Always start writing application from the margin line only. Whenever you have to write an application, start writing from the left side of the page. There should not be any gap between margin line and the words. You people always leave space in between. When you write down the principle and there is a gap between margin line and the words, it should not be there. Next is beta, mention the address of the person to whom you are writing the application. Suppose you are writing an application to the principal of your school. So you will address the application, you will write down the application to the principal. It will start with the principal. Kundan Vidya Mandir, Civil Lines, Ludhiana. And always start proper nouns with capital letters. The principal. Principal is a proper noun. Kundan Vidya Mandir, name of a school. It is a proper noun. Civil Lines, name of an area. It is a proper noun. Ludhiana, name of a city. It is a proper noun. So all these names will begin with capital letter. Kundan K capital, Vidya V capital, Mandir M capital. Principal P capital. Many of you write down principal with small letter, which is wrong. Civil Lines C and L capital, Ludhiana L capital. Next comes the date. Format of the date is fixed. You have to leave a line before and after writing the date. And for writing a date, beta, first you will write down the name of the month, then the date, the day when you are writing the application. Suppose you are writing it today and today is August 1. I am taking an example. Suppose today is August 1 and you are writing an application today. So the date would be August 1, 2020. Many children, they write down AUG for August, which is wrong. You have to write down full name of the month. January, JAN is wrong. You will write down JANUARY. January, full name of the month you will write down and always leave a line before after writing the date. Next comes subject. Subject is the reason of the application. Beta, you are writing an application for remission of fine. You are writing it for a particular reason. So the subject for this application would be application for remission of fine. I repeat, subject, application for remission of fine, and it will remain fixed. You cannot change the subject. While writing subject, R of remission and F of fine must be capital. You will write down R and F in capital letter. Beta, reason of the application can be changed, but subject will not be changed. Today in class, we are writing an application for remission of fine for breaking the tube light of the classroom. But the reason for exams could be different. Reason can be changed, subject will not be changed. Reason could be breaking of flower pot, breaking of window pane of the classroom, breaking of teacher's chair, breaking of tube light, breaking of projector of the smart class. So format cannot be changed, subject cannot be changed, but reason can be changed for writing an application. Now how to end the application? To end your application, you will write down yours faithfully. Then you will write down your name. You will not write down NAME. You will write down Sheena. I have used name Sheena. I have not written NAME Sheena. I have written Sheena straight away. Then you will write down class 5th G. I have written class 5th G. You will write down your own section. Then you will write down roll number. Beta, I have not used apostrophe S when I have written yours. Don't use apostrophe S while writing yours. Don't use any hyphen, any commas while writing this. Yours faithfully, Sheena, class and section, and then roll number. You will write down this one and you will not use apostrophe S, you will not use hyphen, or you will not use any comma. Children, it's time to write an application. So take out your notebooks and pens. In class 5, you have to write an application to the principal of your school asking for remission of fine for breaking the tube light of the classroom. Remission of fine means you have done something wrong and your teacher has imposed fine. In this application, you are requesting your teacher to remit your fine. In Hindi, we say fine maaf karna. You will tell your teacher that some boys of your class were playing with the ball in the classroom and they broke the tube light. You have not done anything wrong. You were standing near them and watching them. It was not your fault. So you will request your teacher to remit your fine. Beta, here the subject is application for remission of fine and the reason is breaking the tube light of the classroom. Now students, very important note, in exams, you can be asked to write an application for different reasons. For example, breaking the window pane of the classroom, breaking the flower pot, breaking the projector of the classroom, etc. Now listen to me very carefully. You have to write down this application in a notebook. Write very neatly. Be careful for the spellings and punctuation marks. Write date and day first. I hope all these points are clear to you. I am going to send one sample of application. Please write down in your notebooks. Thank you for patient hearing. Bye.